One of the most beautiful and popular beaches in Rogoznica is Šepurina Beach. Located on Croatia's Šibenik Riviera, it offers magnificent views of multiple Adriatic islands. It is one of the main beaches in the resort and is especially popular among families with children. Here, you can rent sunbeds with umbrellas, use public showers, and enjoy several restaurants and a beach bar for refreshments throughout the day. Spend an unforgettable day at Šepurina Beach by renting a pedal boat, enjoying the brand new water park, or visiting the children's playground right on the beach. Just a few minutes walk from the beach, you can visit Rogoznica's most popular attraction, Dragon's Eye Lake, featured in a separate video on our channel. A large newly built parking area is available on an hourly basis and is very close to the beach. Since Šepurina Beach faces west, you can enjoy beautiful sunset if you decide to stay longer. Or take an evening walk along the palm-lined promenade located on a beautiful green peninsula. Visit the charming old town with its enchanting Dalmatian stone houses and relax in one of the many cozy cafés and restaurants to enjoy the magical scenery of the sunset. Thanks to its prime location, you can easily go on numerous day trips to some of Croatia's best highlights. Trogir Promotion, Krka Waterfalls, and Šibenik are all within easy reach from here. If you're interested in exploring more, browse our channel for videos on these amazing destinations. Subscribe to know more about Croatia.